Hi guys, welcome back to another vicrez episode, and today we're going to show you guys how to custom your own wheel up 3 pieces. This is going to include vicrez brand, Rohana's, and then Brixton. So first guys, please notice this, research your diameter on Google first, but today we're going to use the Camaro diameters today. So I'm going to open vicrez website right now, right here, and then right along me was the information of my car diameters right here. Okay, we're going back to vicrez.com. Scroll down to custom wheels on your left side right here. All right, scroll down to wheel construction on your left right here, and then please select 3 pieces. All right, we're going to select vicrez first. All right, as you can see right now, this is the wheel right here, 3 pieces. All right, as in this option, I'm going to select 20s because my size is 20s. Next, we're going to select the weight, which is 8.5. This is right here, 8.5, and then 20s, right here. Right. And then next, we're going to select the texture type for your center. In this case, we're going to select brush first. As you can see, this is the color texture right now. Brush, right here. All right, next, we're going to select the color in the middle. For example, in this case, I'm going to select Vegas Gold, and it's going to be like this. All right, next up is the outer texture. If you guys don't know what outer is like right here. Yep, and then we're going to select the texture, which is, I would say, I like brush too. Same thing, guys. And then next up is the colors. And in this case, I'm going to pick maybe Abyss Black. It's going to do like this. All right, next, we're going to select the inner type texture. I'm going to select brush as well, so that you guys can be able to pick later on based on your preference. And next is the color. I'm going to maybe go with ceramic white. So the inner is going to look like this. All right, next up, it's the bolt on your wheels. So if you wanted to put gloss black, or chrome. 2 options for you guys right here. In this case, I'm going to put gloss black. All right, next up, we're going to tap down our years, makes, and model of our car. So in this case, I have a 2018 Chevy Camaros. I'm gonna tap it right this. 2018 Chevy Camaros. And next, we're going to add a few notes. If you have any questions, you can add it right here. Okay guys, so next we're going to select Rohana wheels. We're going to put every information as we put it, just like the previous vicrez wheel. The wheel diameters, the wheel height, the wheel offset, the custom bolt pattern, and then you're going to pick your color finish in the center, the outer, the inners. And next, we're going to move on to the hardware option. We have 3 options for you guys, which is exposed hardware, 50/50, and then hidden hardware. Either which one you like, select it. And then we're going to have another option right here for you guys, which is the backpack pocketing. It's helped you guys to reduce weight. Next, we're going to have the center lock, which eliminating your lug nuts if you don't want it, so you can select this option. Next, you have the another option, which you can keep your OEM center cap. If you don't want the Rohana caps, you can keep your OEM cap by selecting this option. Okay, final, it's going to be the custom engrave. It's really based on the manufacturer. If your custom, approved by the manufacturer, if they're approved, then you're good. So you can click right here. We're going to move on to the center cap. In this option, we have 2 different ones. There is flat cap and floating cap. So you just pick which one option that you like and then hit it. And then after that, we're going to select the years, the makes, and the model of your cars, and then add to cart. All right, third, we're going to move on to Brixton Forge wheel, guys. And as just like the previous 2, we're going to select the diameters, the wide, and everything, just like the same thing with the previous wheel. After that, we're moving on to selecting colors, and then the hardware finish. You just pick the color that you want to as well. So rim halves, it's an option that giving you two different style of your lip, which is step lip and reverse lip. As you can see in this picture right here on the right, this is step lip right here, and the picture on the left, it's reverse lip. So you make it look flat like this. It's really based on your preference, so you can select these two options, either which one you like. So next, we're going to have the milling option, so you can either pick OEM center caps or you can do customized center caps. Next, you're going to put the years, the make, and the model as well. Without further ado, if you have any question, any help, please leave a comment right here or scroll down, and then you see this bar right here. Click it, and then you just fill out the form first, your name, everything, your information, so we can get back to you immediately and help you out. And that's it, guys. Now you can order your wheels. Yay! Now you guys know how to order your wheels now, so please check it out on our website. Guys, please make sure you like this video if you found this helpful, and leave a comments down below if you have any questions. And remember, subscribe.